Hi, thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. This is Kimberly. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any great videos. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing how to get rid of dandruff. So if you have real severe dandruff and you just want to get rid of it and it came out of nowhere, here's what you need to do. Keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to give you the quick and dirty version of how this all went down. So basically, I tried some new hair products, washed my hair with them. 2 weeks later, went to take my hair down, was an excessive amount of dandruff. Like literally like falling on my shoulder dandruff, and I've never had that. Well, I haven't had that in a long time. So I was like, what can I do to get rid of it? So basically, these are the products I use to help cleanse and condition my hair in order to get rid of the dandruff. So the first thing I use is T-Gel Therapeutic Shampoo by Neutrogena. And I know you're looking at this bottle and you're like, does that work on black hair? Yes, I have relaxed hair. At the time when this whole thing happened, I did have about an inch of new growth, and it didn't have a problem like with terms of drying and stuff, my natural hair. But this really helps cleanse and gets rid of the dandruff. Before you wash, you should probably try and like lift some of it with like a comb. But this really cleanses your scalp. This really helps to get rid of it. I used this twice along with the other products I'm going to show you, and then the dandruff was gone. So like I said, I do think it was an allergic reaction from this one set of products, but definitely using this helped. So I just washed my hair with this regularly. After I washed my hair with this, the next thing I used was a cleansing conditioner. So that is a little rough and stripping on your hair, so you do want to have something to wash kind of that out of your hair, because that's really for the scalp, and then this is going to be for the hair. And then it cleanses your hair, it gets all of the T-gel out, but it also doesn't gunk up your scalp and put more products on it to kind of bring that dandruff back. So that is why I like this. This is the As I Am coconut co-wash, and it smells really great. So it smells really great. That's what it looks like. And basically you use this after you so in the shower, what I would do is I would wash once with this and then wash once with this, and then the next I went on to the deep conditioner. So the deep conditioner, you can basically use any deep conditioner that you have. I just happen to really like this one from Camille Rose. So this is the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. And in terms of people who have sensitive skin, it just doesn't cause any reactions or any problems. And it smells really good. I don't think I even have that much left. Nope, she's basically empty. I gotta get more of that. But yeah, it's a really mild conditioner, but it makes your hair so soft without all of the extra chemicals and stuff that other deep conditioners can have. So that's why I really like this, especially if you're trying to get rid of dandruff, because like I said, it leaves your hair moist and easy to detangle and soft, but it also doesn't leave your scalp feeling dry, and it's not gonna exacerbate that dandruff. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this was helpful. Like I said, if you do have excessive dandruff, definitely keep track of it. Part your hair, try to see what's going on, lift it with the comb first, then use these products, and hopefully in a couple weeks time you should see the dandruff disappear. Now I do wash my hair only every 2 weeks, so it did take me about a month to get rid of the dandruff, so 2 washes. But who knows, maybe if you wash your hair more often it might work quickly. But I really didn't want my hair to be dried out, so that's why I definitely stuck with the using it for a month. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you back at my channel.